Calvary, it's Naisha Nicole back again today with another video. And today I am going to be showing you guys how I accomplished this no makeup look. This look is so bomb for when you're just trying to go out and go to the grocery store, but you never know, Mr. Right might be at the grocery store. Or it could be your everyday makeup look when, you know, you don't really need a whole beat down on your face. You don't need a whole wing liner and everything on your face. You can wear this to work. You can wear this on a first date because you never know. Sis, let's be honest. Men not into makeup. They don't care what all of that looks like as long as you look good. So this is, you know, a very transferable look. And it could be just the eyeliner and lip gloss type of situation because I used to love just putting on my eyeliner and lip gloss. But now, you know, you got to have a wing liner. You got to have a cut crease. You got to have a contour, all of that. No, you don't. You can have a nice coiffed look without all of that. But today's video is sponsored by an awesome, amazing lip gloss company based out of Ohio, which is Too Much Gloss. And y'all, I have been using these lip glosses for the past 2 weeks, and I keep this one in my purse. This is the color Galaxy. It has a strawberry scent, and it's very natural looking. So even when you don't have on any makeup, not a no makeup look, but no makeup, you could wear this and just look so bomb. And then the color that I'm wearing right now with this no makeup look is Talk to Me Nice. So it's unscented. All of her products are actually free and vegan. So make sure you hit her up. I'll leave her information down below in the description box. But go ahead and get into this look, y'all, so you can do it too. Alright, so I've already filled in my eyebrows. I have really nothing else on my face except for sunscreen, and I filled in the eyebrows. I haven't even detailed them or anything yet, so I've just filled them in. But now I'm actually going to get into the look. So first I'm going to use my Il Makiage Woke Up Like This foundation. If you've been a part of the Calvary for a while, you already know this is my favorite foundation, and I'm in the color 185. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on. And I'm going to blend that all over, including my eyelids and everywhere. The goal of this look is to be even. Like, you really, really want to be even all over, because we've already established that you don't want to look like you got no makeup, right? That's the whole point. No makeup. So being even is key. Okay, so once that's all blended out, now I'm going to go back in and just clean up my eyebrows. And if you've watched my eyebrow tutorial, then you already know how I do this. And I'm using, again, my Clinique Beyond Perfecting in the color golden. So you already know how this works, sis. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this up. So again, you want to make sure that everything is even. So I am blending this out with a brush. And make sure you go back and watch that eyebrow tutorial if you really, really, really are struggling with your eyebrows, because I am not an expert at all, but like, it's so easy the way I do them. It's so easy the way I do them. Actually, I'm gonna take my sponge and blend it just a little bit more, because again, you're gonna want this to be very even, because you're going for a no makeup look. So you don't want to have that halo brow that I'm always talking to y'all about, but you also don't want any harsh lines. So I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that that is very, very, very blended out and like almost perfect. Like, nothing is perfect, but it's gotta be like, the line between this and perfect needs to be hair thin, like perfect. All right, so now that I have that all blended out, Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put more of that Clinique Beyond Perfecting right underneath my eye. And I'm going to go all the way into the corner of my eye with this and bring it out. And I'm just dabbing just a little bit. Like, there is not a lot of this on here at all. Like, just a little bit. But this is just going to correct those under eye dark spots, because I still have like bags under my eyes. I live a real life and I be tired. So yeah, dark spots. Then I'm just putting a little bit on my eyelid, just a dab. And as you notice, like, I'm not contouring, I'm not putting any on my chin, my cupid's bow, none of that. But I am going to put some down the bridge of my nose. But again, just a very, 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 very little bit. And then I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm going to blend that out. And I'm really pressing that into my skin, like really, really pressing it into my skin. Now, I'm going to take whatever product is left on the sponge and I am going to put that on my cupid's bow. No, I didn't put any actual product there, but whatever's up on the sponge, I'm just going to highlight there with that and on my chin. So it's not a lot. But I am going to, you know, give it some pop. Next, I'm going to take my tinted setting powder from Moira Cosmetics. I am using the color medium, and it's just tinted setting powder. But there is a trick to the way you do it. You're not just setting and go like normal, like it's not just sitting there to bake. You're not baking, you are actually setting. So I am taking a dry sponge. Yes, it's dry, and I'm dipping it right into the powder, tapping off the excess. And then I'm going to press. You have to do this fast. I'm going to talk and then I'm going to do it because you got to do this fast. So press it into the powder, knock off any excess, and then you're going to press it in. And you want it to blend in. Like, this is not just going to sit on top and bake. You are pressing it in to where you had your concealer. So see, I am actually pressing that in. And I'm going to keep doing that until it begins to set on top. And I'm also taking that up onto my eyelids. And I'm only doing one side at a time. See, now it's not even pressing it anymore. It's just sitting on top. So I'm going to do that. All right. And then I'm going to do the other side. So again, dip it into the powder. Knock off any excess. And just begin to press that in. Now, I have done this with banana powder and translucent powder. So you don't necessarily have to use a tinted powder, but I feel like it not necessarily works better or looks any better, but I don't know. I'm just weird about certain stuff and I just like using the tinted powder better. And I'm just going to let that set for a little while. I'm not doing any eyeshadow. Again, very natural look. No eyeshadow. So while I'm waiting for that, I'm just going to do a couple more things and then I'll be right back. Alright, so now I'm going to brush this off. It's only been maybe about 2-3 minutes. And so I'm just gonna go in and just brush away all that excess powder. And where I set, like, really press that in, it's not going to come off. It's not brushing away with the loose powder. So that really takes away all the bags under my eyes, and it gives me a really nice glow. But it also looks very natural. Next, I'm going to take some bronzer. Y'all, I am in love with this bronzer. This is from Kiss, New York. So, drugstore makeup, if that's what you want to call it. I got it from the beauty supply store, but I love it. To me, it's almost better than Trophy Wife, but don't tell Rihanna I said that, because I love Riri. We share the same birthday. But like, just look. Like, look at that. I love this highlighter. But I'm going to take my fan brush and lightly, like super duper lightly, because this is some pigmented powder, y'all. Just tap it on there. And then I'm going to lightly brush that on my cheekbones, just to give me a very, very light highlight, because again, very natural looking. We don't want a heavy highlight. Now, I know this may be disappointing to some of y'all who love a highlighter. Fits me too. But, and I'm not bringing this all the way down the bridge of my nose. I'm just highlighting right in between my eyes, and then right on the tip of my nose. And when I tell you I'm doing this lightly, I am doing this lightly. So, you know, hit all the key spots, but it's super duper light. Okay. Now I'm going to take my setting spray. Of course, you know my favorite Morphe setting spray. And spray. It's almost time for more. And then I'm going to take my pressed powder. This is by Ruby Kisses. And I am in the color Chestnut. Take my pressed powder. And yes, I know, I did my highlighter before my pressed powder on purpose. You're not trying to look like you got on makeup. And I'm taking it all over my face, my eyelids, everything. So this is really going to bring all of that you just did, is going to bring it together. Alright, so once that's all done, I want to go back and spray again with the Morphe. And y'all saw it here on camera. I just ran out of my favorite spray. To Ulta I go. But if you have setting spray, that's what you're supposed to do. So then I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna do my eyes now. So no eyeshadow, but I am gonna put on some liner. And I'm not gonna do this very thick. I'm going to use just a regular kohl pencil and my Kat Von D tattoo liner. And you don't even have to line the bottom lash line. I just do to bring just some life back to my face. And then I'm going to use my Mary Kay Ultimate Lash Mascara. That's it for the face, and the only thing I'm going to do to finish this look off is use some lip gloss. No lipstick, no lip liner, just some lip gloss. And I'm going to use my lip gloss from Too Much Gloss. in the color Talk to Me Nice. I have been using this product now for, I'd say, about 2 weeks, and I am loving these lip glosses. Yes, they are very, very shiny. I love a shimmer, but it's not like kitty dollar store shimmery, so I'm loving it, y'all. Let me show y'all what this looks like. So just a little bit of lip gloss, give me some shimmer there. And again, this is the color Talk to Me Nice. I also have the color Galaxy, which is like a brownish color, and it has a strawberry scent. You guys, I love it. These are vegan products, gluten-free, cruelty-free, and I'm loving these. She sent me 2 of these. Again, this video was sponsored by Too Much Gloss, so thank you so much for the lip gloss, and thank you for helping me finish off my no makeup look. You guys, go ahead and make sure you click that subscribe button, click the bell so you'll be notified next time I upload more awesome content. And until next time, it's time to queen, y'all.